So my family owns and operates Alba Vineyard since 1997. The winery was originally started in the late 70s, opened in the early 80s, but it went bankrupt, and in the mid 90s the whole vineyards were overgrown, and in the late 90s when my family came into the fold, we really saw the full potential in this property, and we wanted to really turn it into something unique, something world-class wine on the East Coast. So since 1998 we've been planting high-density vinifera here on our hillside vineyard. We're in the Musconetcong River Valley. We are in an AVA, the Warren Hills AVA. It was established in 1988, the year I was born. So I've been working now full-time for the family since 2010, running the vineyard full-time since 2011. We're currently at 50 acres under vine. We're growing Pinot Noir, Chardonnay, Riesling, Gewürztraminer, Pinot Gris, Cab Franc, and then two hybrids, Traminette and Chambourcin. The whole vineyard is narrow row, high density, planted on hillsides. We're on this really unique dolomitic limestone deposit of rock formation in the valley here. The vineyard actually has 13 different soil types that encompass the farm. And I think the most interesting thing that my dad did when we were planting was everything is planted all over the vineyard. So not all of our Pinot Noir is planted in one swath. We have 5 blocks at different layers of topography, elevation, exposure, and soil types. So we're able to really make wine from our vineyard by farming everything specifically and really harnessing the power and the uniqueness of each layer of topography and sun exposure on the farm.
Tell you what, so I don't lose your voice, let's walk over to another spot. Meanwhile, I'll just sort of do a panorama of the view down below. You can see the top of the new tasting room, and we're just sort of in this little grass courtyard in between all the vines. You said, how did Alba get its name? It was previous owner?
So Alba was one of the first wineries started when the Farm Winery Act was passed in New Jersey, and the original owners named it Alba, meaning sunrise or dawn of a new wine region. And now I think the name's fitting because sunrise is the best time of the day out here. The sun rises from the east over this valley, and you get this really crazy sun exposure. And being in the river valley, we have a pretty intense fog layer out here in the morning too, so we get this really great temperature shift where we drop down really cool at night, which really helps preserve the natural acidity in the grapes that we're growing. Riesling, Chardonnay, Pinot Noir, helps slow ripening down.
We're how far from the Delaware? It's just over the hill.
2 miles from the Delaware.
2 miles?
Yep. The elevation range here down by the river, the low point is 250 feet, and then the top of the farm is about 650 feet, so we have